Happy Sunday! I'm Millie Miriam, the Closet Quilter, and it's a great sunny day today here in Florida. And to all my friends in the East that are getting snow, stay warm and safe. Today, I am getting back on my quilt, my little elephant quilt. And I did some, I ran out of my bobbin thread, so I changed my bobbin. And then I did some paisley, and I looked on the back, and it was all loopy. So I looked, and I changed, I checked my bobbin. That's fine. I rethreaded. That's fine. And now I've got a little strip here on the side. And my backing's here, it ends right about here. So I just put this on the side. We're going to test it out now. I brought up my bobbin thread. Let's see if it's going to work. Let's see here. Top looks pretty good. Let's do some... Okay, let's check this out and see what it looks like on the back. I'll tie off here. Okay, let's take a look. Unhook this. Let's see. Okay, that looks good. I think we have solved the problem. So it was either the threading or the bobbin, one of the two. So we're ready to go. Okay. A lot of times, I don't know about you guys, but for me, you think, oh, I got a mid-arm, all my problems are solved. Well, it's the same as before. You just have to keep checking. And if it does, sometimes you're going to have tension issues. And you just do what you know how to do. You check the bobbin, check the top tension, rethread, maybe change a needle. You never know. But it's always good to have a side piece. If you have a little extra bottom backing, just have a side piece here to test your tension before you start again. Now, as you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but this is where I did paisley. I had to rip out all of it. So I'm going to start again. So maybe we can get this done. See if you can see this. I'll try to get, let's see here. I think you'll be able to see this. Okay. I'll turn this light off. Maybe you'll be able to see better. We'll have this side light there. There. Okay. Let's see if you can see that. There. There we go. Bring up the bobbin. Okay, I have a stationary thread there, so I'm going to clip it. I forgot Okay, there. Now, just a little wiggle to lock it down. Just a little paisley and then I echo it. paisley, which is sort of a skinny teardrop. That's kind of what a paisley is, from my understanding anyway. I don't know. The idea is to just take up the space. I use echoes to travel. This is a nice dense pattern. Makes it easy to get places. That's a nice paisley there. Can you see that? Let's see if I can get the light on it. Let's see here. Can you see this? That did a really good job of filling that area. I like it a lot. Okay. Now I want to clip that so there's no stationary thread. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this little Sunday morning adventure. My voice is finally coming back after the anesthesia. It really messed with my vocal cords. But have a great quilting day, and I'd love to see and hear from you on what you're doing. Have a great Sunday.